What's up guys, Steve here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get Adobe Premiere for completely free. So what you guys want to do first is go ahead and open up the RAR Labs link down below in the description, and you go ahead and install WinRAR. So to check which version of WinRAR you should install, what you guys want to do is go into the start menu, search up this PC, click on it, right click this PC, go to properties, and then you can see if it says 64-bit or 32-bit. So if it's 64-bit, click on the second one, and if it's 32-bit, click on the first one. And once that's done, go ahead and install the file. If you guys already have that installed on your computer, you can go ahead and skip that step. So continuing downloading Adobe Premiere Pro, what you guys want to do is go ahead and click the link down below. I'll label it Adobe Premiere Pro, and it should open you guys up into a mega link. So once it opens up to the mega link, what you guys want to do is go ahead and click the green download button. This file is a 1.71 gigabyte file, so depending on your internet speed, it might take a while. Alright, so once it's finished downloading, what you guys want to do is go ahead and drag it to the desktop like so. And once here, what you guys want to do is right click it and click extract here. It might take a while depending on your computer, but it should be relatively fast. And once done, what you guys want to do is go ahead and open up that extracted folder. Click on the setup pre-activated folder and click on setup. It might take a while to open up, but once here, what you guys want to do is click continue and click continue again, and then it will install. You can see the progress bar at the top. It will take a while. It took me about 5 minutes to install, so I'm going to go ahead and skip through that part. So once finished, this should prompt up, and what you guys want to do is go ahead and close out these windows, and then you guys go ahead and search up Adobe Premiere, and it should be on your computer completely working and installed. Anyways, that's how to get Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer, and please use this at your own risk. Anyways, thanks for watching, hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.